Hey, you guys, I had to share this video. This is my first keyboard I ever played in my life, and my brother Charlie gave it to me a few years ago. Brought it down here when my mom passed, but he had already. Oh, how do I explain this? It's working electronically. Everything works as far as the keys, except for there's a chord that I have like something in there right now, so it doesn't like constantly play. But he had replaced this side already. You can see, and these I assume are the original parts from like the 60s. And you can see where the tension bar broke. And if I took that little paper towel out, it would just be down, and it's an F, like an F chord. But I can see where he left off. I have no idea where he got these replacement parts. I honestly don't. But the rest of it is intact, except for that's cracked. That little backboard, I guess that's where you put your music book. And then he also left a bag of keys. Like if I ever had to replace a key for any reason, I wish I could ask him, like, Charlie, where'd you get them? He probably told me, I just can't remember. But anyway, I can pick up where he left off, and then detail it, and it'll look so cute here in the music room. My first keyboard. It's like I remember when we were little kids, we would make up songs on this thing. So anyway, I just had to share that. You guys have a great evening. Bye.